Good morning to both the judges of this honorable bench. Advocate Kushwats from Vats Legal Associates speaking on behalf of the complainant, Your Lordship. Ready for the argument, Your Lordship.
Okay. Start करें.
Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, complainant booked a unit in Nandini Build Home Private Limited. Date of booking of unit is 6th of April 2019 and date of completion is 4th of September 2019, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, flat number is C301. Your Lordship, amount paid by the complainant till date is 31,50,000. Now, Your Lordship, at the time of booking of unit, the promoter made promises that in the current project, loan facility is available. So that in trust, complainant booked the unit, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, but later on the complainant found out that the bank loan facility is not available, Your Lordship. At the time of booking of unit, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, due to that pressure, complainant had to arrange money in short span of time and still the complainant managed to pay an amount of rupees 31,50,000 till now, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, where the builder also agreed regarding the payments, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, after the payments, the builder sent backdated notice of 2020 to the complainant on the date of 27th of April 2022. Postal receipt of the letter is also attached in the annexure. Your Lordship, where it clearly states that the notice of termination of unit is of 2020, but the postal receipt clearly says that it has been sent on the date of 2022, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, after that, no other notice was served to the complainant, and even after that letter, the promoter continuously accepted the payment, which shows their interest in giving the unit. Your Lordship, the promoter even accepted IGL gas charges and other charges from the complainant in recent days. Further, recently, the promoter accepted an amount of rupees 10 lakh from the complainant, where the promoter has their receivings on it, Your Lordship. Now, regarding the project, Your Lordship, the promoter has not obtained any of the certificates till now. Even there are no any necessary certificates also, Your Lordship. Also, still the complainant is agreeing upon taking the possession, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, our humble request is to direct the promoter also and pass an order for the possession with delay interest. Update of the OCCC, basic amenities should be provided and registry of the said unit should be done, Your Lordship.
Nandini bedroom.
Wait, please, Lord. I'm appearing for the respondent here. My Lord, may kindly note that the written statement reply has been filed by us in December. It may be on record, my Lord, on which they have also filed a rejoinder. We have submitted that, my Lord, that this builder, Nandini Buildhome, is a project under Section 8, my Lord. And as per the order dated, my Lord.
Your Lordship, they are saying that they have cancelled the unit in 2022. Your Lordship, recently they have accepted an payment, a check of rupees 10 lakh. They have the receiving also of the promoter on the check also, Your Lordship. You can see it on the portal. हमने वो अपलोड भी कर रखा है जिसमें इनकी खुद की रिसीविंग है 10 लाख रुपए की 1/5/2022 को इन्होंने एक्सेप्ट किया है. योर लॉर्डशिप, ये कह रहे हैं इन्होंने हमारा यूनिट कैंसिल कर दी. योर लॉर्डशिप, कैंसिल करने के बाद ये चेक क्यों रिसीव कर रहे हैं? योर लॉर्डशिप, उसके अलावा योर लॉर्डशिप ये बोल रहे हैं कि हमने 1% पेमेंट की है. योर लॉर्डशिप, 1% पेमेंट करने के बाद भी ये हमसे अग्रीमेंट कर लेते हैं, योर लॉर्डशिप. और अग्रीमेंट करने के बाद ये बोल रहे हैं हमने 1% पेमेंट की है, योर लॉर्डशिप. उसके बाद ये IGL कनेक्शन का पेमेंट हमसे ले लेते हैं. उसके बाद हमसे चेक ले लेते हैं सारे के सारे. RTGS हमसे एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं. और योर लॉर्डशिप, हमने 50% पेमेंट कर भी रखा है.
Okay, check.
This one is fixed for order. See the order.
Only one clarification.
Highly obliged, your lordship.
The
Highly
check has
obliged.
been